Alright people, how you doing on this Thursday morning? And when I say morning, I mean like 2:15 AM. We're going to do some more V17. And what I mean last time, I think I did Deep last time. And I can't remember which one it was before that. But this one we're going to do Let It Rain, Top of the Pops E17, 1994. So I was 11 years old then. So let's do it, E17, Let It Rain, 1994, Top of the Pops. Let's go.
Is a total creation. We see lands divide. Nation against nation, like comets they collide.
They collide.
And we pray for the unseen to be seen by the eyes of man. When heaven and earth are hand in hand, thy will be done.
Got some kind of Mortal Kombat music going on here. Right now, as always, say it again, great voice, amazing voice. Makes you want to move this down, tell you. Just wanna feel it. I ain't Brian Harvey. I think this was the same year that I actually got into E17, 1994, pretty sure it was. Nice. The only way I could hit that note is if someone kicked me right in the bollocks.
That's E17 from their number 4 album, and Let It Rain.
Oh, and that's it. Old school. So there you go, people. E17, Let It Rain, 1994, Top of the Pops. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the same year that I got into E17, 1994, the first year of school. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's E17 Classics. I probably might even do another one in a minute. We'll see. If one follows this, you'll know. If it doesn't, then I didn't. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.